Hello, guys. So, a lot of people be asking questions about if AI contents are real or if they are fake. I was debating with a friend of mine the other day, and he was telling me that doing AI design or creating a design like banner with AI is fake. And I was like, how do you mean it's fake? He was telling me you don't have right over your design and all the likes. So, guys, I don't know what you guys feel about AI this time around. But let me make something clear to you guys. The earlier you learn about AI, the better. Trust me, a lot of people will regret the fact that they did not start learning about AI on time. And then it's too late. So today we are going to talk about um, agents and language model, base language models. So what are agents and what are base language models? First of all, language models are AI um, applications like ChatGPT and the likes that has the capability to get a feedback from a user, get an input from a user, and then send it out a feedback based on the information they have gathered. And then base models or base language models is just like a normal AI that has been trained on a particular data over the years, right? A particular AI model that has been trained because all AI models are trained on data. They don't have a database, but they have what we call weights. These weights are like a library of all what they have learned in a particular year. Then all these weights are combined together. These weights are just nothing but billions of numbers. So language models, base language models do not have database. A lot of people think that when you ask an AI agent to do something, they will just go to the database and pick it up. It doesn't happen that way. AI models are trained on data. That's why most times if you ask an AI language model of something recent, if it is not trained on that particular thing, it will go and fashion out another different idea. But the way it will present it, you think that it is true. So why um, agents, AI agents are base language models plus tools. If you understand what I mean, base language models plus tools. For example, we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a typical example of an AI agent because it has other tools like image creation, um, audio generation, and all whatnot.